just bought this Moondrop Discdream Ultra 2. The reason I bought it is because it's a standalone DAC and a headphone amplifier, and it is also a disc player, CD player. So I just wanted to show you what's inside the package here. Quality control card, some type of advertisement, and then a user manual that's printed on a A1 or a A2 sheet. And the device itself, it also came with a USB cable. So I charged it yesterday. So there is a on and off button here and a USB audio. So I tried playing a CD and using a I wanted to see if the player is outputting audio through the USB, but it is not. I think this is only an input port wherein you can use it as a standalone DAC. So you can turn it on. The unit also comes with the optical port here. It looks like a 3.2 mm jack, but it's a mini optical cable. So that's how you can get the digital signal out of this unit. And then this is your single-ended 3.2 mm jack line output, and then you also have a balanced output, so you can get twice the amount of power compared to the single-ended with the balanced port. You have about 200 milliwatts with the balanced, and then about 110 something with the single-ended for the earphones. I've been using 7 Hertz earphones. Let me bring, where are they? Yeah. 7 Hertz IEMs. So these are the ones. I'm sure these are best bang for the buck out there, I think. They came with the single-ended cables, and that's been sufficient so far. So the unit has this is stop, pause and play, next, previous track and next track, and then options, and then the volume button. So the options will give you let me put a CD in here. So I have this 20th anniversary, or 20th, or I don't know how many years it has been, random access memories, a 10th anniversary edition. Disc 1. So it lifts like that, and then you can put it in. Just trying to read the disc. Yeah, read it. I can pause it. You can see the disc is spinning. It looks like a well-made unit. So if you press this menu button, you can do a single track repeat the whole CD, and then shuffle. So I've been playing quite a bit of with it. I took it to work today. I've been playing Billie Eilish, Michael Jackson, Random Access Memories, Daft Punk. So I think This is a very well made unit. uh, However, I had one issue with the Rage Against the Machine CD, the Rage Against the Machine album. This It's a pretty clean CD. I don't see any marks or any uh, scratches on it. I've had no problem playing the same CD in my car and with my musical fidelity CD player, even on my 1985, I think, Sony C85 player, CD player. But on this, for some reason, some tracks were just there was a lot of clipping, or it just stopped for one track. So that's weird, because all other CDs have been playing fine on the Moondrop, except for the Rage Against the Machine, which is a bummer. So one thing I'm going to try is I have this Shanling CR60 Ripper. I want to use the digital output of the Shanling connected to the CD player, the USB input of the Moondrop, and play the Rage Against the Machine CD and see if I'll still have issues. If I still have issues, then it means the new mechanism that these both companies are using are having some issues with that particular CD. So I'll update you guys later on this. But that's just a single hiccup. But for rest of all the CDs, I've had no problem. I think um, it's a home run in my opinion. This is plenty you get for what you're paying. My only If they want to do iterations, I think it is a good idea if they include a parametric equalizer, or at least a 3-band equalizer with turnover frequency, and maybe higher capacity battery, and then that that will also make a way for higher power amplifier, at least 1 watt or 0.75 watts, 750 milliwatts into 32 ohms. So that'll make it a one-stop solution for all your digital audio needs: headphone amp, a DAC, and a CD player, and with some type of equalization inbuilt. I would probably pay even twice the price at that point. Yeah, those are my thoughts. I will do one more follow-up on this. Yeah, I've been so far actually. I've been very happy with the device, and the charging. I've only lost 1 point. I've probably played 3 hours. So yeah, that's it.